Okay, this is a video for your teeth. I have the dental formula here, which is only one half of the mouth. The ICBM stands for incisors, cuspids, bicuspids, and molars. And there's two, incisors, two on top, two on bottom, cuspids, one on top, one on bottom, bicuspids, two on top, two on bottom, and molars, three on top, three on bottom. That's for one half of the mouth, so that's 16, so twice that's 32, which is the number of permanent teeth you have. Now over here I have incisors, or chisel shaped. They're used to cut food with, like biting a sandwich. Cuspids are conical shaped. They're used to pierce, hold, and tear food with, like fangs on dogs and cats. Bicuspids, they're used to grind the food up with. And then the molars in the back are used to pulverize food into little bitty pieces. Now over here we have a tooth, and this tooth, going through your little chart there, that you already have, we have the crown up here, the neck, and the root. The crown is covered with a material called enamel. So you can see it's white here, but this crown is covered with enamel. The root down here is covered with something called cementum. It's a bone-like material called cementum. So we have the profile of the tooth, the enamel, the dentin, and the pulp cavity. The pulp cavity is not hard, it's still kind of a pasty material. The pulp cavity contains arteries, arterial capillaries, venous capillaries, and they got in there through this root canal that goes through the root of the tooth. The opening at the end of the tip of the tooth is called the apical foramen. The other term for gums is gingiva. That's what this pink stuff is here and here. That's your gingiva. The bone is the alveolar bone. That's what the teeth are set in. It's called the alveolar bone. And if you look close, there's some little bitty red lines here which represent some collagen fibers that hold these teeth in the socket. And those are called the periodontal ligaments. Periodontal ligaments. Over here is just the rest of the chart that kind of shows you the layout of the teeth here, your front teeth, incisors, cuspids, bicuspids, and molars.